In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in GoDaddy. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website to open it. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials. For security, avoid public Wi-Fi when signing in. And if you use a password manager, let it fill your login details safely. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage and signed in, look to the top right corner. You'll see your username or an account icon. Click that to open the account menu. In the menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to your profile area, where you can manage preferences for your account. On the Account Settings page, locate the default currency option and click it. This opens the currency settings screen. Here, you'll see a drop-down list of available currencies. Click the drop-down and select the currency you want prices to appear in across the site. Pick the currency you're most comfortable shopping in, or the one that matches your location and payment method. After choosing your preferred currency, click Make Primary. That action saves your selection and sets it as the default for your account. The page may briefly refresh or show a confirmation message. If you have other GoDaddy tabs open, give them a quick refresh so your new currency displays consistently in product listings and your cart. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. The list of currencies is based on what GoDaddy supports for your region. If you don't see the currency you expect, it may not be available for your country. Changing the default currency affects how prices are displayed while you browse and during checkout where supported, but it doesn't change your existing products, renewals, or domain settings. Taxes and final amounts can still vary based on your location and applicable rates. If you manage more than one GoDaddy account, remember that currency is set per account, so repeat these steps wherever needed. And when you're finished updating settings, especially on a shared or public computer, be sure to sign out to keep your account secure. That's all it takes. You've successfully changed the currency on your GoDaddy account by opening the site, signing in, going to Account Settings, selecting Default Currency, picking a new option from the drop-down, and clicking Make Primary.